Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 5, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and find the power saving mode, which is right over here, and simply tap on it. As you can see, the brightness drops even though it didn't really drop. So that's one of the things that this will do. You can also go into the settings of it, which you do by holding the toggle, as you just see me do. And in here we also have additional option as super power saving mode, although I wouldn't really recommend using it if you don't have the need for it. As you can see, it doesn't really give that much of a benefit, I would call it. Okay, maybe 12 hours is a benefit, but when you're dealing with like about 26 hours and well, 1.5 days, I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it. Although right now the battery is at 63%, so keep that in mind. Now the reason why I say that this is kind of like a last resort option is when you enable it, just turn it on, you'll see that the device completely changes. You have fairly limited usability of it at this point. So we have just, I guess, the need toggles. So Wi-Fi, mobile, location, Bluetooth, flashlight and airplane, and that's all. And then just some default applications. Now we can add some more, but by default there is, well, as you can see, that's all you can add. 6 different apps right here, and everything is in dark mode. There is no wallpaper. That will yield you the most battery, as you can see right here, but it has some trade-offs. Now once you want to leave this mode, you can just tap right here on the exit button and exit, and this will go back to normal mode, or whatever it was previously set. So as you can see, still battery saver is enabled, but at the normal power saving mode. Now finishing this off, I'll mention one additional thing. In power saving or super power saving mode, there's one thing that will happen which isn't really disclosed. So if you use either Wi-Fi or mobile data or both, if you have power saving mode of any sort enabled, when the device goes to sleep, meaning when it's select like this and idling for a couple minutes, it will go to sleep. And once it do that, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you have any kind of application that would require internet connection to give you updates, for instance messages, some kind of messenger application that like Facebook one, WhatsApp or stuff like that, Instagram, all those require internet connection. Yeah, you're not gonna get any kind of updates from them till you wake up the device, at which point the device will reconnect to mobile and Wi-Fi and basically sync everything that was missing. So just keep that in mind. And additionally, once you're done with this mode, you can simply tap on it again and this will bring your device back to normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.